Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your client acquisition with Indeed, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your client acquisition with Indeed, begin by creating a compelling employer profile. Highlight your company's values, culture, and benefits to attract potential clients. Use engaging visuals and a strong company description to make your profile stand out. Next, leverage Indeed's job posting feature to reach a broader audience. Create clear and concise job postings that reflect the specific skills and qualifications you seek. Make sure to include relevant keywords to optimize your postings for search engines. After posting, utilize Indeed's resume search tool to identify potential candidates. Use filters to refine your search based on experience, location, and skills. Reach out directly to promising candidates to establish connections. Consider using Indeed's sponsored job feature to increase visibility. This investment can help you reach more qualified candidates faster. Once you have candidates, streamline your application process. Use tools like Indeed's applicant tracking system to organize and manage applications efficiently. Conduct thorough interviews to gauge the candidates fit for your needs. Provide timely feedback to keep candidates engaged and informed. As you hire, maintain strong communication with your new clients. Follow up regularly to ensure their satisfaction and gather feedback. Continuously refine your approach based on client needs and market trends. Evaluate the performance of your client acquisition strategy periodically. Make adjustments as necessary to improve results and stay competitive. By consistently leveraging Indeed's tools and features, you can enhance your client acquisition efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.